Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Seabird RV Park in Brookings, Oregon. Seabird is a small park and there are a couple tight turns, I will tell you. I was greeted by a very helpful and friendly staff and I immediately felt at home. Now as you can see, I didn't unhitch, and I will say that some of these back-end sites are quite short. I would say this park is more than 70% residential, but there are some overnighters too. Now the clubhouse is a little bit outdated. I don't think I found a single matching chair in here. Now the clubhouse, laundry, and restroom facilities are all of the amenities here. This is it. But what I really appreciated about this place is that everything was super clean. Okay, I have to admit this was kind of an accident staying here. My plans down the road kind of fell through and I was running out of daylight. And this is what I ended up with because the other parks were quite full. Now, this is a very small residential park for the most part, with very basic and slightly outdated amenities. But the thing that really impressed me here was the friendly staff and that everything was really clean. I mean, the laundry facilities, the showers, the restrooms, very clean. That tells me something. That tells me that you care about your guests. Now I was in a bit of a time crunch, so I didn't get to stay and explore the area. It was just a one-nighter. I didn't even unhitch. But I do want to revisit the Brookings area. I can see that there's a lot of natural beauty. State parks. There's natural bridges in the ocean, and just a lot of things to explore here. If I were to come back here, I would probably see if there's a prettier resort nearby. If not, this will do just fine. I would maybe come back to Seabird RV Park. Okay, guys, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.